guys, my name is Tristan and today I'm going to tell you how to make godot. So this is my godot file. So I'm just gonna go to my first game. So I'm going to tell you the general idea of our goal today. So our goal today is to just move this guy like this and jump. This is our goal for today, and tomorrow I'm just gonna tell you more about this. So first of all, go to godot. So go to godot homepage. If you didn't download godot, you can go here to godot, and then you can go to godot engine and download this. Okay, not the net, because net uses the coding program called the C#. So we want the script because it's the main language used in godot. So we just want to make this. So what are we going to do is go to godot, and then we are going to create a new game project. So we are going to say YouTube. Then you are going to, my username is Tate1204. So so I'm just gonna name YouTube and create a game. So this is the first scene of your godot. So today we are just gonna make a 3D scene, so you must select the 3D scene. So I'm just gonna show it again. Click this and then this will appear. So you can admire this for 10 minutes and you're back. So like you can just admire this for 10 minutes. That is how I spend time in there. So you can click W in order to zoom inside, and shift to go very fast. So the first thing you need to make is the floor. So in order to make a floor, you must make a box, right? So if we do a box, oh yeah, another note, the node. What is a node? A node is some kind of all control system or some player controls in godot. So if you can go to node, and then you are going to search a box but 3D. Then there will be a CSG box. Then you are going to create. So when you create a CSG box, this is gonna come out like this. So after that, you are going to make this a little bit wide, right? So if you are going to create a little bit wide, you can just control this. But I just want to make this to 111. So you can see this as the shape. So I just want to make the size with X 10, Z 10. It's not Y though. The Y in godot is this axis is Y, and this is Z, and this, I think this is X, and this is Z, and this is Y. So godot XYZ is a little bit different. Okay, so after making a CSG box, we can try to make our first game, and then after this there will be something like this, and you are going to press select current. After pressing select current, it's gonna come, but don't try to go and save. You must organize your files. So the first thing you are going to do is right click or double click in a MacBook. Use 2 fingers and click it in MacBook. Then you are going to new folder, and then you are going to press this, and then the name will be seen. And later you are going to know how much you are going to be pleasured about organizing. So we are just gonna say scene start, TCNC. Then we are just gonna save it. After save, what is going on? You are going to say what is going on. So this is just nothing, right? So what are we going to do is add a camera. So you are going to just click this, not the CSG box, click node, and then you are going to say and camera. Then there will be camera, then you are going to create it. So when you created camera, where's the camera at? So you can just move the camera. See, this is the thing. So I can just move the camera like this. I don't think I need to. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, I have a little bit of time wasted to match up the camera. So don't mind about it if you are what do you say? I know. So this is quite hard, you know. Oh yeah. Oh man. Okay. This is done, and then after that, oh man. And then a little bit wide, and then I'm going to move it a little bit here, and then a little bit. Yeah, camera is very hard in to adjust, so you can take a lot of time so to adjust the camera. I'm also taking time. So we have adjusted the camera, and then if we run project again, what? You are gonna say, why is this so black? And then the thing is that actually, I mean, literally, you need a light. So this is the light. See? So you're going to add it, and you're going to say, why is the ground color so bad? So you're going to make it all peachy. Then done. But our thing is to add a light to camera. So you need to add sun to scene, and then add environment to scene, and there will be some node there. Then when you start again, yay, there are colors. So these are the colors. And then after that, we need to make some players, right? Isn't it? So we are going to make a node, but with this child, and plus it, and make a character body 3D. Character body 3D and create it. And then after this, they will say this node has no shape, so it can't collect or interact with other objects, blah blah blah. So you're not going to add this, and then make a child node by pressing this and then click add, and you are going to make capsule. Is it capsule? A collision shape. You're going to get a collision shape, then create. If you have a collision shape, there will be nothing because you don't have a shape. So you are going to make an empty. So you are going to guess you are going with the box shape, but no, you can't go with the box shape nor cylinder, but capsule. Capsule is the most smoothest collision shape ever. So you must go and get the capsule. So when you get the capsule, you are just gonna, you can't see it, so we are just gonna make this, and then you can see it, right? So you can see the capsule. So there will be some capsule, and then there will be some thing. So we don't want that, and then this will be the transform. So we are just gonna make this 2 meter. Oh, no. Wait for a while. Just 1 meter, okay? Man, this is hard. So just don't mind about this position. So this will be the capsule, and then after that you need to make what do you say, a box or some thing. So you need to guess what. So just pause a bit and then just think for yourself. Okay, I'm back. So collision shape, then you must add a CSG box. So when you get a CSG box, it is gonna be 2, okay, because there's another CSG box. So when you get another CSG box, there will be nothing. So you are gonna set the Y to 2 meter, then ta-da, there will be, and then you are just gonna make this a little bit high, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, go to the CSG box and then go to the transform node, and then for here you must put minus 0.5. By the way, I forgot for you to tell that. Huh? Oh yeah, sorry. Isn't this 1? Sorry about that mistake. So x must be 0, and then y must be minus 0.5. Then there will be something like this. So I just accidentally oh yeah, I need to delete this because it must be a child of a character body. So after character body, add the child node and a CSG box and create. So there will be something like this, and for the collision shape, you must add Y to 1. Is it? Yeah. And then with the CSG box, with the CSG box, you must make this Y to 2, and then just go to transform and just put Y to 1. Then it's all set. So if we try to hit the 1 button, yay! But we can still move it all even though I press the arrow keys or WASD. So we just finish some parts. So after that, we are just gonna make the scariest moment of all life, the code. Everybody hates code, so this is the scariest part of this whole video. So oh man, wait for it. Sorry. So we are going to go to the character body 3D and right click so that we can go to attach script, and after attach script your template must be on and character body 3D, and then we are just gonna say character body 3D, and then we are going to go to the file and then not seen. We are just gonna make hit this button and we are going to make a new folder which is scripts. Okay, then we are just gonna make this as scripts number 1. So we are going to open and then create. Oh man, this is the hardest part. So there will be some of this. I have headache already. Oh my gosh. So after that, you are going to think, where's my project, and they will be here in the 3D moment. So you are going to script to get this. So like nerd will say get gravity times data. Oh Jesus. So after the script, we are just gonna try to start, and because of gravity, this will sink. So what we need to do is go to the CSG box and then add a child node of a collision shape. After collision shape, there will be some notice. So a collision shape, so you don't need to read because you have me. So go to the shape and then go to the empty, and then you need to get a new box because it's for CSG box. So new box shape, and then you're going to get something like this. And then after that you're going to click this box shape, and then you're going to make the same size as the same CSG box. So X will be 10, Z will be 10. And then there will be some collision shape box over here. Then after that, wait for a while. Is it all set? Yeah, it's all set. After that collision shape, there will be another error. Serve to be provide a collision shape. Okay, so just cancel this. And then you must right click this, not to add a child node, but you need to reparent to new node, because he wants to reparent. So reparent to new node, and then we are just gonna get some static body, static body 3D. Then you must create, and after that you're all set. And let's try to hit the run button, and then ta-da! We can't use the WASD button, but we can use the arrow keys, and then you still can jump. Bye bye. So this is all just about my project. So let's try it again. So this is the project. So the arrow keys are working well. Oh yeah, why it is like this? Because I just set the camera for accident. But let's see